Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the world of social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool that can help you grow your brand, increase your online presence, and drive more traffic to your website. But with so many platforms and strategies out there, it can be tough to know where to start. That's why I've put together this ultimate guide to social media marketing. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this video is for you. Let's get started. Part 1. Setting your goals. Before you dive into social media marketing, it's important to set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media strategy? Do you want to increase your brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, or generate leads and sales? Once you've identified your goals, you can start to develop a strategy that will help you achieve them. Part 2. Choosing your platforms. There are so many social media platforms out there, from Facebook and Instagram to LinkedIn and Twitter. It's important to choose the platforms that are most relevant to your business and your audience. In this section, we'll go over the pros and cons of each platform and help you choose the ones that are right for you. Part 3. Creating engaging content. Now that you've chosen your platforms, it's time to start creating content. But how do you create content that will engage your audience and help you achieve your goals? In this section, we'll go over some best practices for creating engaging content, including using visuals, writing compelling captions, and using hashtags. Part 4. Growing your following. Once you've started creating content, it's time to start growing your following. In this section, we'll go over some strategies for attracting new followers, including running ads, collaborating with other brands, and using influencer marketing. Part 5. Measuring your success. Finally, it's important to measure the success of your social media strategy so that you can make improvements over time. In this section, we'll go over some key metrics to track, including engagement, reach, and conversions. We'll also talk about some tools you can use to measure your success, such as Google Analytics and social media analytics tools. Outro. Well, there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to social media marketing. I hope you found this video helpful and that it gives you a good starting point for your social media strategy. Remember, social media is always changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.